Blue Lock update. Blue Lock update. New working codes. Blue Lock new working codes. Into this video, I'll be redeeming every single one of the new working codes in the new Blue Lock update. So if you didn't already know, there will be a new Blue Lock update with ranked revamps. King refresh. So the King style is getting a refresh. It's probably gonna get upgraded a couple notches, so be sure to have King style unlocked. If you have King style unlocked, after the update, it will automatically update and you will be getting the updated King style in Blue Lock update. So be sure to actually, guys, get the King style, get it, get it. Because you can actually get the updated one very simply by playing the new update. Other than that, tons and tons of lucky spins. I'll be redeeming into this video, as well as a bunch of free cash. So you can get free cash, tons and tons of lucky spins, new King refresh as well. So this update is for every single body, okay, everybody, even your grandma. First code is KU 1.15 million exclamation point. Once again, let me zoom in to actually showcase. This is the code. This is the actual, not the actual code. The first code is IQ 1.15 million exclamation point. So this is the first code that you actually want to redeem. Don't miss out on any other codes inside of Blue Lock. Also, boys, we are gifting slots. We are actually gifting slots. I mean, I'm gifting slots. I'm gifting slots today. If you have a style slot that you would like to have, or the other one, what was it again? We have the styles and then we have the flows. So style or flows. If you want style or flows slot, be sure to comment down below King. Comment King. Just literally like that. Comment down below King. Just like this. Comment King. King is king. King be king. Anyways, new working codes for a lot of free lucky spins. Click on codes. Redeem these codes. Do redeem these codes right now. I'll be showing you every single new working code inside of Blue Lock. Blue Lock. Rework exclamation point. IQ rework. The next one, snake defense. Snake defense, as well as King rework exclamation point. So this is a upcoming code, guys. This is a upcoming code. It might be changing. It might be a I, you know, it might be an I. It might be a number one. It might be number one. It might be a I. Nobody actually knows, but this is a developer code. It will be dropping in the update, so you have to actually wait until the update drops to actually redeem this one. Be sure to actually like the video and subscribe, guys, and comment the secret word if you want to have yourself a extra slot, of course.